Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to reply to a message from received links on WhatsApp Web, right from your PC using the newest update. This feature makes managing your shared content so much easier, especially if you get tons of links every day. Let's walk through it step by step so you can follow along effortlessly. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to web.whatsapp.com and connecting it with your phone, just like you normally would. Once it's open and your chats are visible, you're ready to go. Next, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a small media icon. Click on it. This will take you to the section where all your shared media, documents, and links are organized neatly. Now, select links from the menu options. This is where all the web links you've received in your chats will appear. It's an organized list of every link you've ever shared or received on your account, making it much easier to go back and find what you need. Once you're there, look toward the top of the window and click on the sort icon. From the options that appear, choose others to filter the links by different types or categories. This helps you find the specific link you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. When you find the link you want to reply to, simply right-click on it. A small menu will pop up from there. Select Reply. A text box will appear, allowing you to type your response directly connected to that shared link. Write your reply just as you would in any chat. Once your message looks good, click Send. That's it. Your reply will now appear in the original chat, linked to that specific piece of content, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. This new update is perfect for organizing conversations around shared links and keeps your chats looking clean and professional. Try it out today and make your WhatsApp web experience even better.